Welcome. This videos we are going to practice that consonants fourth line, how to write and read the fourth line, the lines. So first we start from the two line sheet. So first the from the down lines you start like a N and go straight. The is a 1000. From the ground you write a N shape and go upside. So the like a 1000. The N not touch that both lines. Second lines to N and go up. Now we practice in a 4 line sheet. Third line. Third and the second lines you touch the N and the first lines have to straight. Third and the second lines touch the N and go up. The like a 1000. Second and the third lines touch it and write. You start like here, then you can improve your handwriting. So second the is a thump. The is a thump. So here you start like one curve on that first line. Curved. And then little curve down on this one, straight lines. This curved and this one not touch the second lines. First line only curve like here. Then U shaped go up and down. So second the is a thump. The is a thump. The. Now practice in the 4 lines. So first 2 lines you make a curve. Then down on touch the third lines make one more curve. Finally curve without touching the third lines. The is a thump. Now third the is a leather. The is a leather. The. So practice. So you already know the fourth da. You write a small straight line on the 6. It's a fourth da. Now draw one straight line little bit down. It's a third da. The is a the. Leather. The. The. Small straight line. 6. Little downside. The. Now practice in the 4 line sheet. You already know the fourth da is a dog. Small straight line under 6. Come down little bit. So third da is a the. Now fourth da is a that. The. Now practice in a 2 line sheet. The is a cursive E shaped. Cursive E shaped. So we start a cursive E to the curved, then go up and down. Here should be have a gap. So that should also be no problems. The is a that. The is a that. Fourth the is a that. The. Now practice in the 4 line sheet. First 2 lines make one curve. Next 3 lines make one curve. Go up and down. First 2 lines, next 2 lines straight. First 2 lines Next two lines go up and down. Therefore, that, the, ch, the, or the, ch, the. So practice pronouns, then make it easily. And last one, na, like it. From the middle of the two lines, make one curve and go straight. Then middle we make a curve round and go straight, up and down. So circle in the middles, go straight, up and down. Circle in the middles, straight, up and down. Practice in 4 lines. From the second lines, you start a circle on the second lines, not touch the third lines. Circle the second lines straight and up and down. Now we start to read the small words. From the practice of this letter, let us we start the small words. First one, ta in tan. First ta and na, this na, in tan. First ta, how do you write it? From the down lines n, go up. Ta. From the middles na, tan. Fourth da, dan. Dan means wealth. Dan means mind or body. Body. Wealth. Dan. Now practice these things in a 4-line sheet. Third and the second lines touch again. Second line down speed, round tan, tan. Fourth da is a dan. Tan, body, dan, wealth. Gun also we can say gun or gana. Fourth ga without round the ta. Gun or gana, deep. Jan, with that. Second and third lines. Ja, jan, people. Jan, people. Second line. Ja, jan, people. I hope you may be understand and practice well, and the reading pronunciation also be correct. This chart also available in the our Telegram groups. You can download it. I will give the Telegram link and the descriptions. Thank you very much.